So this takes new contacts that have been entered into HubSpot and it creates them as contacts in Aspire. All right, so up at the top, this is scheduled to run at certain intervals. You can set that to whatever you want, and it can run as often as you want. First step, search as contacts. So this is where you define which contacts in HubSpot do you want to have created over in Aspire as leads. Define the search criteria. So this shows anything that has been created since the last time the job successfully ran. And when you run it, it shows you the one contact that is ready to be created in Aspire. Now this is going to loop through whatever contacts are sitting there. First step is it checks to see if it's already there by searching against the email in Aspire. So this one happens to already be there since I just ran this through, but I'll walk through the rest of it so you can see. If that wasn't there yet, then, well, first, if it is there, it then takes the Aspire Contact ID and updates that back to HubSpot so that there is a link between the two systems. So it is using a custom field called External Record ID to save the HubSpot Aspire Contact ID. Now, Aspire has certain required fields. So in this case, I'm checking if the state is not empty to make sure that there's a state from HubSpot because that's required. As long as it's a valid state, which we check it against a list of the 50 states, then we go ahead and attempt to create the contact. Inside here shows you all of the Aspire fields on the left, and on the right are the fields that are about to be created from HubSpot. So this shows from step 2, it's pulling the first name and last name, and the company. You must have a company associated with the contact. So you can either set that to a default one here, like this, and pick anyone that you want. Or it could create a new company if you wanted to, and then use that newly created company. And you also have to have a branch. So you can also pick the branch that you want it to be assigned to there. We're going to be setting the email, the mobile phone, and the address fields. All right, so then after that, we take the newly created contact ID from Aspire and update that